Hello friends, good morning everyone. Jai Bhim. Friends, in the early morning I came on the live for respond on the one incident, one horrific, one heart wrenching and one grievous and inhuman incident was registered from Sabashila village and Sivampet Mandal, Medak district. Friends, one 2-year-old girl, she was killed by her mother. What is mean by that? Where is the society? What happening in the society day to day? What is going on in the society? Really, I am sad about the such type of incident and occurrence. First of all, I am extending my regret toward the who was died, the 2-year-old girl, and I am sending my condolence to her and her family members. Friends, in the matter, in the subject, I will monograph completely on the issue. What happened? What is the uh, matter? Friends, who was the Mamata and Mamata's husband Raju? They got the marriage 5 years before, and after then they got the two aspirants, one son and another one girl. Son is a 4-year-old boy. Girl was a 2-year-old girl. You know, they they are living and they are existing their life with the softly, with the goodly. But who was the third person entered in the Mamata's life? His name is Piaz. Mamata and Piaz, they connected and they contacted with their life, their with the extramarital affairs and illegal contact and that paramour, that led and followed, which was the Mamata's behavior, which was the Mamata's extramarital affairs that followed and led to her mother died. Her daughters died. Really, I am sad about. Was she mother or any stepmother or any unknown person? How she killed her? How she strangled her? How she murdered her daughter? Really, I am sad about that. And when I was knew about the incident, really my heart was wrenched and broken about the incident. That is why I came for respond on the incident. Friends, their paramours, their extramarital affairs, and their illegal contact, that result remains to us. That is why no one contact and no one do such type of extreme step. This is my heartful suggestion to everyone. First she contacted with the peers who was the Mamata, and in this year on that month May, first she attempt to elope with the peers. That time who was the Mamata's sister-in-law, she given the complaint, missing complaint. Then after the police personnel, they traced her, they apprehended her, and they settled the matter with the family. Then after again second time also she eloped with the fears. uh, March, May, this month, this year, on the March, she second time also eloped with the fears. That time she brought her 2-year-old girl along with her, and after then she unable to bear the her daughter, and unable to give the feed her daughter. She after she had she killed with the strangled her, and she buried at the Guntur. And when the again the Raju given the complaint to the police personnel, Sivampet DSP Narendra Gaud, he took the case and he registered the case. Again the police personnel they stretched and they traced her them with the contact of the mobile, and they apprehended them. Then after they asked and they questioned to them where the girl, where the daughter, where is the daughter, like that they interrogated them. That time they easily um, eva- evasive evasive reply they given. What that means? So the daughter was she suffered with the multiple health issues, and the seizure also affected to her. Then after she died with the health issues, like that they given the evasive reply. And in the interrogation of the police personnel, they are after they confused the what was did. We only cause, we only strangled, we only killed the my daughter, like that the Mamata and Fiaz they given the answer. And where is the society, where is the family, where is the kindness, where is the love and affection? I am asking one question. Were they any mother have the such like rights and chance to kill their aspirants? I am asking one question. No one have the such type of chance and rights to kill their aspirants. That is why, this one of the heart-wrenching incident. Really I am sad about this incident. That is why I am giving the message. No one do the such type of extramarital affairs and such type of contacts, and the illegal contact that is lead and power the such type of result. That is why everyone do their limits, leave their limits, exist there with their family members. Should we show the love and affection each other, wife and husband, after then the children. Everyone who are the god the marriage, then after who have the children, any aspirants, the love and affection automatically forward to on the children. And that is the one of the series and one of the continue process going on in the especially human beings. Human beings have the love and affection, kindness and family, and the society. That is why no one do anyone have such type of mind, such type of thoughts. Should be settled with the elders, with the family members, and should be take the divorce. After then you go your chance, you go anywhere. But no one kill their aspirants, no one murder their children. That is not good. This is really one sad news. Thank you. JB.